Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube MiniPlayer. So just head over to youtube.com and search for any video that you want to watch. So let me open my channel. Let's select this video. And guys, here we have this option, this mini player. You just need to click on this, and here we have the video playing in this mini player. Okay, and you can browse the website. Okay, and suppose if you want to switch back to normal player, you just need to click anywhere on this mini player and you are back to normal mode. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.